Hey y'all, how about a little finish sanding with the superosolic system while we listen to our buddy Jeremy from Strings and Pucks. Jeremy so graciously and generously sent me a couple of his CDs after I requested them, but we're going to play it, so here we go. Pretty good, isn't it?
Look at the stars tonight. They never seem to shine as bright as when you were there with me, and I could still hear your voice.
Stand and make things right with you.
and you tell me it's alright. You are here with me, and what I lost had all been found. It's time to turn around.
Jeremy, this is a fantastic CD, my friend.
Ever since you left us, it hasn't been as bright around this place. There is no replacing the joy that we all found in that sweet face. Our hearts are warm, our eyes are turning red, and this song of mine keeps running through our heads. Though we can't see you, oh, we still feel you. Nothing can replace the light you gave. Until we see you, nothing we go through can take all of your sunshine away. Our laughter turns to crying as we think about the best times that we've had. And we smile because we know you didn't ever want to see us sad. Our hearts are warm, our eyes are turning red, and this song of mine keeps running through our heads. Though we can't see you, oh, we still feel you. Nothing can replace the light you gave. Until we see you, nothing we go through can take all of your sunshine away. I know one day I'll see you once again. Another pain we ever had that day we lived. I hope it ends. Though we can't see you, oh, we still feel you. Nothing can replace the light you gave. Until we see you, nothing we go through can take all of your sunshine away. Can take all of your sunshine away. Can take all of your sunshine tonight. You've seen me at my highest heights. You've seen my highest falls. You've seen me run just like the wind. You've even seen me crawl. You know the best that I can be, but you also know the worst. And baby, you still love me, even when it hurts. Thank you, baby, for sticking by my side. Your love has brought me to my knees and even breaks my foolish pride. I know at times the road is long, sometimes it just flies by. Through it all I thank you, baby, for sticking by my side. Baby, I can see your face each time I close my eyes. And sometimes I can feel your touch when I'm not there by your side. You're a glimpse of pure love to me. It's hard to understand why you would give so very much to such a broken man. Thank you, baby, for sticking by my side. Your love has brought me to my knees and even breaks my foolish pride. I know at times the road is long, sometimes it just flies by. Through it all I thank you, baby, for sticking by my side. There's some places in my life I just can't say enough. You showed a grace that saved me, and you filled my life with love. Thank you, baby, for sticking by my side. Your love has brought me to my knees and even breaks my foolish pride. I know at times the road is long, sometimes it just flies by. Through it all I thank you, baby, for sticking by my side. I know at times the road is long, sometimes it just flies by. Through it all I thank you, baby, for sticking by my side.
What do you guys think about Jeremy's CD, man? I love it. It's absolutely awesome. I haven't listened to the other one yet. I have listened to this one before you guys did, but using this Super Silex, I started with 600 grit, and I don't have any lower grit than that. I have ordered some because I really like this system. But if you notice, I spent a little more time with the 600 grit, but that took all of the orange peel out of it. Now all I'm doing is taking out scratches from the previous grit. And what I just look for, especially on that 600 grit, just shiny spots. You'll be able to see it here, and I don't see any on the back of this guitar now, you know, other than along the edges here. And I'll do that off camera, but forgot what grit we're up to here. 1000 grit. So after the 600 grit, I don't spend as much time with the other grit, so it goes pretty quick. So I'll turn this back on and we'll finish it up. Got a couple more grits.
turn on the news tonight, won't open a paper, just pretend that the world is alright. And you look amazing, so do me a favor, turn up the volume and turn down the lights. Let's forget about the mess out there for a while. I look at you, you look at me, we laugh together, and everything is alright. I don't even care what tomorrow brings, as long as we have tonight. As long as we have tonight. Don't care if there's nothing on. Let's head to the city. Meet Ari and Sean down at the grill. I just got a message. They just flew in from Cali, and Sean said, don't worry, he's got the bill. They're waiting to show us a real good time. I look at you, you look at me, we laugh together, and everything is alright. I don't even care what tomorrow brings, as long as we have tonight. As long as we have tonight. Do you remember Todd and Julie down at the Joe? We were covered with streamers at the New Kids show. Or is there trouble in Salem? And is Red on the run the best times in our lives? I look at you, you look at me, we laugh together, and everything is alright. I don't even care what tomorrow brings, as long as we have tonight. As long as we have, as long as we have tonight.
Alright, y'all, I think that was the last song. That was an acoustic version of a song we heard just a couple songs ago. Great CD, great album, Jeremy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to listen to the other one. The other one, I'm not sure what you'd call it, but it's 3 songs. I don't know if it's a demo or what it is, but we'll listen to it on another video. I normally don't make videos this long, but I wanted you guys to hear his CD. So we've done that. I'll finish this up off camera. I'm going to get the rest of this front done and the sides, and then I have this other stuff made by the same company, Eagle, but it's called Super Bufflex. It is 2,000 to 3,000 grid, and I've ordered more of this to go up higher than that. I don't know if this guitar is going to need to go any higher than 1,500, what I just did. but we'll see. And if it does, I'll film that and show you using that stuff. But that'll be it for now. I'll finish this up off camera. I hope you guys like Jeremy's CD as much as I did. I loved it. Thank you, Jeremy. Y'all take care. Deal with it.